Hello guys, we have today Ford S-Max and 2009 model. We just this one non-runner because of the faulty starter motor, so we're just going to change the starter motor. First of all, we need to disconnect the battery line, and we have to remove the engine cover off. And here we go, starter motor over there. So holding with the 2 bolt, and let me crack on and show you step by step. We had to undo the positive line from the alternator, and that line all the way going to the starter motor over here. So it's holding with the 13mm nut. The starter motor holding with 3 bolt, 13mm. Okay, this is old part. Just compare with the new part. Same to me, it's both similar, so here we go, guys. We replace new starter motor in here and connect all wires and the battery cable. Just need to put the engine cover and start the engine to check whether it's working or not. Everything is working, so thank you for watching. We'll see you with another video.